Welcome to Camp EZ RV's YouTube channel, where we make it easy to RV.
This is the 2026 Forest River Rockwood GEO Pro G17LE. A lightweight travel trailer that's super easy to tow with most SUVs, and perfect for couples or small families. On the exterior, you get a clean aluminum profile, power awning for outdoor shade, and pass-through storage up front for chairs, coolers, and gear, so setup is quick. Stepping inside, the front bed gives you a cozy sleeping spot with a cabinet on the right side for clothes, books, or essentials. Nice walk-around room keeps it feeling open. Across from it is the dining table, a booth dinette great for meals or games, with pull-out cabinets below on both sides for linens or supplies, cabinets above for cups and plates, and it converts into an extra bed when needed. Next to the dinette sit the bunk beds, perfect for kids or guests. Across is the kitchen counter loaded with cabinet space, a deep sink, 2-burner stovetop, and microwave. More cabinets above hold dishes and pantry items right where you need them. Beside the kitchen is the fridge, just the right size for groceries, with cabinet space below for pots and dry goods. In the rear restroom, you've got a practical wet bath with a shower and toilet, keeping everything clean and simple for daily use. Don't forget to download our app so you can browse inventory, schedule visits, and keep up with the latest arrivals anytime, right from your phone. We also offer extended care for life. So be sure to check out our website or contact us for more details on how that can help protect your RV investment for the long haul.